Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Miller of Theodore's Pearls, and I wanted to invite each and every one of you to an amazing class that I have coming up in August, which is your Introduction to Yarn Dyeing. And this is going to be an intensive class, and it's going to be the first of a series of classes about everything that I know and have learned and developed about dyeing yarn and working with yarn shops and starting your own business. So the first part of it it'll be three 2.5 to 3 hour sessions in which we'll both dye yarn and also talk about business and everything you need to know, including sourcing, where you get stuff, what kind of equipment you need. And the class does include a lot of equipment and a lot of yarn. So the first class will be doing some tonal, working with a wool blend, wool, cashmere, and silk, making a kind of tonal, like one color like this that comes out in many kind of shades of color. We'll also be doing in the subsequent classes some dip dyeing and hand painting, and also some special effects like with rubber bands, speckles, all different kinds of stuff. So a lot of yarn is included, and also all the equipment that you need to get started. So if you've ever thought about starting your own yarn business, and also thinking about if you've ever thought about how much fun it would be to do color on fiber, please look on the Longmont Yarn Shop website and sign up. It is at longmontyarn.com under all classes, and you'll see it there. It's coming up in August. That'll be 3 sessions and a lot of fun. So come and join me.